Hi guys, hope you're all having a good week so far. This is a video to look at some of the trades we took last week in the premium group. So I've selected 3 trades to go through. We had a great week yet again. I'm going to cover 2 of the winning trades and the loss that we took on the Bitcoin short. I'll cover the analysis on that so you can see our thinking behind the trades. Hopefully it's some educational content for everyone. So first of all, we're looking here at Ethereum. And we took this trade, we gave this signal on the 8th of January. And we've got here on the 4-hour chart, the daily open level marked out. And we can see that's quite a sort of a key level. Once it flipped, it turned into some sort of support and then resistance. So this was a level we was watching. And if I go into the 30-minute chart, just to show you exactly how it played out. If we go back to the area, I've highlighted it here. So we can see that we broke above this level, okay, and we saw quite an impulsive move up on the 30-minute chart. So what I was looking for was a retest of the daily open, looking for a reaction in that area. So we can see we actually got that within an hour or so of giving our entry limit. So it filled really quickly, filled our orders, and then pumped really hard. And within, I think pretty much by the following morning, we'd hit all of our take profit targets, showing that this was the perfect level to enter. The second trade I want to take a look at is the Bitcoin short. Now this is a limit order that we gave, and it was active for quite a few days before the entry hit. The level of entry was 17,185. And what we were looking for, so we actually set this limit probably around this area. So we was trading well below it. And I'd already marked out the range value area high from the volume profile. So I was looking at the range from the big pullback we saw from the FTX candle in November up to the current range at the time. And we was looking at the range value area high to act as resistance. So we set bids to enter just below this. And I was also aware that we had, this is the 8-hour chart, we have this 8-hour supply as well. So we had DCA bids set from the range value area higher up to this supply, which should have been resistance. And our stop loss was set just above the supply area as well. Unfortunately, this one did hit stop loss simply because of the strength of Bitcoin. We can see actually in this supply area, we did get some resistance in that area. We can see that clearly from these 8-hour candles. So the supply zone was right. It's just the pure strength of Bitcoin saw it go through. And actually this has now flipped into an area of demand if the price was to return to this area. The third trade I want to have a look at is ENS. And this was on a much smaller time frame. We're looking here at the 15-minute time frame. And I had noticed that we had this breakout here, and we formed a 15-minute demand candle here. So I was looking for a retest. So once we got this impulsive move up, I was looking for a retest of this area. Within a couple of hours, our bids had filled perfectly through our zone, and the price immediately rebounded from that area. And again, within a few hours, we hit all of our take profit targets. I hope you find this video useful, guys, and it gives you some a bit of a background and education on the type of trades we take in the premium group. I will leave a link as well in the comment section below, so you can join our free Telegram group if you are not a member already, and you can find there more details on the premium group too.